Welcome to the bridal series, how to style a low bun. This is our model Alison and we'll be styling a bridal updo today. First, clip the top layer of the hair away from the underlayer. Using a brush, backcomb the underlayer of hair upwards to tease it and prepare to attach the extensions. Clip the Quad Wefted Remy Clip in human hair extensions in shade Ice Blonde to the lower layer of the hair. Make sure it grips onto the teased area for extra security. Undo the clipped top layer of the hair and slowly backcomb the strands of the top layer to create an enhanced and volumizing effect. Brush together the top layer of the hair together with the underlayer and bring together into a low ponytail, ensuring the hair isn't too tight on the scalp. And if so, you can always pull the hair evenly throughout so that it creates a even volumized ponytail shape. Make sure to leave 2 strands of hair to frame the face. Twist the ponytail continuously until you bring it into a twisted bun. Hold this shape and secure it with bobby pins. Once secured, attach a bridal hair clip or accessory to the top of the bun for an elegant look. Finish off your look by spraying the ClipHair moisturizing silky hairspray for extensions onto the hair, and then use a straightener to curl the front strands of hair to finish. And voila!